I see the cloud is heavy with the rain. I feel the power breaking every chain.
Amen. All right, so that video was generated for free. That music was generated with free AI. So today, quickly, I will show you how you can generate your own kind of music. If you want to go into faceless content creator, if you want to become a content creator this year, 2026, this video is for you. And guess what? If you are going into music, you don't have to show your face. You don't even know how to know more about music before you can generate this kind of music. All you need to do is write your lyrics. If you're a writer, you write your lyrics down. This AI generates it for you. If you don't even know how to write your lyrics, if you are not a good writer or a composer of music, tell ChatGPT or Gemini AI to compose a song for you. You can just say, turn a Bible verse, turn a Bible chapter into a lyrics, and it will ChatGPT or Gemini will turn it into a lyrics for you. And you copy this lyrics, you paste it on this our favorite AI, and it turn the music, the lyrics into music for you. And guess what? It is completely free. You can use it without any copyright issue. You can use it on your YouTube, you can use it on Facebook, on TikTok, on even on your Spotify. It becomes your own music. So today, quickly, I will show you how you can generate it. All you need to do is just create your channel and you are good to go. So if you're new on this channel, please, if you're not subscribed to this channel, please hit on the subscription button. My name is Damisa. Here on this channel, I do a lot of wonderful things. If you want to get subscribing to my channel, I teach music, I teach AI, and I drop updates about beat and loop. You won't regret subscribing to my channel. Hit on the subscription button, hit on a notification button. All right, so quickly, let's dive in. Let me show you how you can generate this kind of music for free, for free, for free. All right, so just like I said, you go to your Gemini. So you can see that is Gemini. If you don't have Gemini, you can use ChatGPT. Both of them, you can get them from Play Store, Gemini. Okay, so in Gemini, I'm going to write my prompt. I'm writing that compose. You have to make your prompt very well so that the answer it gives you, that is what you're going to use in the AI. So I'm writing a compose a song with lyrics because it's the lyrics that we are interested in. So we're asking Gemini to compose a song with lyrics for me for year 2025. Okay. For me for prayer for year 2026. Year 2026. If you're a composer or a writer, you don't need to tell Gemini to compose it. Just write your song and you paste it on the AI that we're going to use. You can see the song now in lyrics. So we have verse 1, verse 2, and the bridge. It even has chorus, verse 1, chorus, verse 2, then with bridge. All right. If you're not a writer, you might not really know how to come up about this. We can see now this AI has helped us to generate this. So you copied it, you highlight, you copy it. This Gemini, you can get it from Play Store or ChatGPT too. You can get them from Play Store. So the next AI we'll be using is Suno AI. Suno, Suno. So this is Suno AI. If you don't have Suno AI, go to Play Store as well. You download. After download, you register with your email. Yes, let me take my time to explain. You register with your email. It's completely free. You're not paying for this. So this is how Suno AI look like. After registering, then you have access to use it. So this is the AI we'll be using to turn our lyrics into music. Now there are ways in which you can use it so that you will not get copyright issue. So you can see there's two one. We have simple, we have custom. So you go to custom, use custom, always use custom. All right, so you paste in your song in where there is lyrics there in the custom. Then make sure you remove all those chorus, all those verse. You know, this AI will only sync what is written down. So if you put verse one, it might be singing and put verse one, but you don't want it to mention verse one while singing. So make sure you remove all these verse one, bridge, those title. Make sure you remove it. Then you come to the your description of song. You can put contemporary. If you want to be jazz, put jazz. If you want to be classical, depending on the kind of genre of song you're looking for. So if you want classical, you put classical. If you want it contemporary, say contemporary music. And they just so this one I'm putting contemporary. Then go to title. Put the title of your choice. So me I'm putting 2020 26 year. Then you click create. You can see it will create 4 different songs with the same lyrics. You see, in different style, in different genre. So you won't be left with option of choosing. You can see others that have already created. You can see one, two, three, four different songs. So now, after you listen to it, you pick the best of your choice. You can use it, but mind you, the first two is free. The second two is you are paying for it. So if you subscribe to them, then they will give you access to all the 4. So let's hear the first one here. You can see the way it sound. So this is the first one. Okay, this is contemporary. You wanted the jazz, you got it. So let's click on the second one as well. Let's hear the second one too. All right. So this is the second one. All right. So depending on the type of music you're looking for. So after you've listened to the two, anyone you choose, you go and download. So you can download from here. Let me show you quickly how you can download. You can see the lyrics is displaying. This is Suno AI. Very nice to use. So you see 3 dots from each of the music. You click on the 3 dots, then you click on download. You click on download. All right. So you say download anyway. Upgrading means you are paying. So to avoid that, you just click on download. You can see it's downloading. Just click on download. If you click upgrade means you are paying. Then they will show you all the 4 uh, music generated. So just click on download. Then the song will be downloaded to your file. That means you have successfully created your own music and you have the right to use it, not for commercial purpose anyway, but for your personal purpose because you're not selling the music. Okay. So after that, if you now want to make the somebody to appear to be singing the song, you can go to your ChatGPT or Gemini. I decided to use ChatGPT this time around. I just don't want to use one. I can use any of the choice to create a picture of a man singing. You can see now, this is an African man singing. So after having this man now, you now use any of your AI to turn the picture into video so that you can add the lyrics underneath the song. Alright, so I decided to use Grok. Grok, Grok, Grok AI. Grok AI is a wonderful AI that turns a picture into video. All right. But if you're okay with your song, you can just use it. You can decide to even write the lyrics out and just use normal, natural, uh, natural thing, and then you're good to go. So here is Grok now. Grok is turning the picture into video for me. So if you want each of the lyrics, if you can highlight each of the lyrics, you copy each of the lyrics, you paste it on the can see the type to customize the video. You paste each portion of the lyrics in the type to customize the video. While the person sing it, he sings the lyrics and you add all those videos, short clips, you add them together using your video editing to put them together. But you don't want to go through all this stress. You're just good to go with it. You have the song already. Just go to your normal video editing, put the video there, and just write the lyrics out. But if you want the video to be showing why the person is singing, you can make use of Grok. You can see it has generated it within 100%. Although this one didn't write the lyrics, but if you want it, you copy each of the lyrics, you paste it. Remember, I'm using Grok, Grok, Grok. You copy it. It's very fast, and it's faster than some of these other AI like Peaceverse and like One AI. This one is very fast. So you copy it. After you've copied it, it's down. You download. You can see those the dot of download. Then you can see. So thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.